This is a pretty good question from one of the greatest books I have ever studied till now of Idas Gupta. So, not a pretty good question. It's a kind of, can say, medium to easy type of question, depending on your intellect and the past habits you have. The question is, uh, find the area bounded by y equals to sin x and x-axis in the interval x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so here we if we draw the diagram of the individual question, then it comes out to be something like here let's say the area and between x-axis and between x-axis and the curve. So assuming the situation, this is something like curve here. So we will take it as 2 pi. This will be 0, assuming it it's pi. Take it minus x, take it x. So sin x goes something like this. Excuse me. Actually, I don't have an habit to write on this thing. Yeah, uh, yeah, this is right. So we need to bound the area under this, and this. So actually, what we do, how much I have studied till yeah, till today, is that if you see, this is where we touch 1, right? And 1 equals to pi by 2. Like sin pi by 2 equals to 1 equals to 1. Okay, so as we have as know the point of interaction or the critical points are the usually the points where we like do whatever we wanted to do, where we break the limit. So we have to integrate 0 to pi by 2, right? X sin x minus x dx. Upper curve sin x, lower x sin x, lower curve it's x-axis, and this is y-axis, right? And so first one is this, and after that, if we switch to second, mm, integration pi by 2 to pi, because the problem is point of inflection or the critical points are the point where we break our limits, to be precise, right? So this is what I have assumed myself or I have taught myself throughout right now. So here also the same thing varies x sin x minus x dx. All of this is in plus integration hmm, pi 3 pi by 2. Now what happened is actually the situation of the curve have entirely changed. So the x-axis is in the top and the x sin x curve is lower curve. X-axis is upper curve, sin x is the lower curve. So it's x minus x sin x dx plus inte sorry for this plus integration 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi x minus x sin x dx. So this is the four major equations. If we come here and as I have taught or I have been taught by my teachers that we use the property of integration in this type of question because it helps to eliminate what? It helps to eliminate the x, right? So I want to tell you something like this. Let me explain you the property. It's like integration 0 to pi by 2. Just do it for pi by 2. X sin x dx. Okay. So if we use the property integration 0 to pi by 2, like it's the property which we use uh, pi by 2. So we use pi by 2 minus x sin dx. Like we add upper limit plus lower, actually, sorry, hmm, upper limit plus lower limit uh, minus x dx. This is first, and x dx is second. So this become one term and this become another term. If we add both of the term, this term will eliminate it. So we are left with upper limit plus lower limit. So this will become, if we add it 1, if we add it like 1, and if we add it like 2, so this will come as 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 sin x dx, because this and this will be eliminated by adding. Okay, if we come here to our first equation, okay, applying the property, this will look something like uh, we add lower limit, lower limit, upper limit. If we add, it will be pi by 2 minus x. Okay. So it will be something like pi by 2 sin x, pi by 2 sin x minus pi by 2 minus x. Actually, I have cooked it or somewhere else for a milligram second. Nice, this looks nice. So it will be pi by 2 minus x sin x dx minus pi by 2 minus x dx. This is first, this is second. If we add first with second, we will come up to something like x dx will be eliminated. Okay, so we will be left, and x sin x dx will also be eliminated. We would be with pi by 2 sin x dx. Okay, and x dx is of x sin x dx is of course eliminated, and minus pi by 2 dx. So this whole term after integrating from 0 to pi by 2 will come out to be pi. Same with this will come out to be pi. Same with this will come out to be pi. Same with this will come out to be pi. If we integrate all of this together, 0 to 2 pi by 2 plus integration to pi by 2 and pi by 2 pi plus pi 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. This is pi, 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 and this all together will come to 4 pi. And this is how we do this. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, I'll come up with more of this type of video of physical chemistry, organic chemistry, actually, organic chemistry, maths, and physics. Stay tuned if you wanted to see more. Thank you.